I don't know, it corrupts. Corrupt gitu loh filenya. Jadi mau saya bagi bingung saya kenapa. Ya. Ini udah paham yang ini ya, Bu Ayu ya, paham ya? Caca paham ya? Nah, masih ingat tidak? Auxiliary kemarin itu apa aja sih? Kalau dudas kan udah nih contohnya. To be kan? Is MR lah ya.
Terus modal.
Ya, aux, verb. Auxiliary verb kata kerja bantu. Ada to be, is MR. Kalau past tense apa? Was dengan where. Kalau contoh nih, ini kan present tense. Kalau saya buat jadi misalnya they were data sleepy ya. Sleepy. Berarti di sini apa? Ikut juga ya, past tense ya. Were not. Aduh. Ya. Nah, gini. Oke, paham ya? Nah, ini contoh penggunaan yang auxiliary yang pakai to be, is, MR, was, were. Nah, ada juga yang pakai do, pakai does, pakai did. Aduh. Kapan do, kapan does? Kalau dia begini present tense, ada kata go, pakai do atau does. Bingung tidak kapan do, kapan does? Kalau subjeknya they, subjek. Good, very good. Good, ya. Kalau tadi she goes, kalau ini they go to school every day. Nah, ini question tag-nya apa? Does? Do? Do not? They. Kenapa do not they? Kenapa pakai do? Karena kalau kalimat ini they go to school ini mau kita buat negatif, dia larinya they don't go to school kan ya? Negatifnya kan? Ya kan? They don't go to school every day. Nah, ini negatifnya. Nah, oleh karena itu dia pakai do auxiliary-nya. Dewi Ayu pakai do. Kapan dia did? Nah, kan gitu kan? Kalau dia pas ten. Kalau tadi they go to school every day present tense pakai do. Begitu do bahasa past tense. Kalau go past tense-nya apa? Go verb 2-nya when. They went to school every they went to school yesterday. Nah, berarti awas nih kita pakai do does atau did nih karena dia past tense, present past tense, do does did. Dia pakai when, berarti kita pakai apa? Do does atau did? Oke. Nah, Bu Ayu, Caca, when I share with you, kemarin kan udah lumayan panjang tuh penjelasan saya. Cuma memang saya tidak merecord ya. Merecord juga nggak tahu filenya corrupt gitu. Itu did you review the material or no? Sempat di review tidak?
Saya tulis ulang di buku catatan saya.
Nah, when you rewrite, nulis ulang, do you understand Bu Ayu? Paham nggak?
Ada yang sebagian paham, terus kalau misalkan ini saya kurang paham, saya cari referensi di Google.
Nah, okay, how about you, Caca? How about you? Do you read the note again, review the material when I share to you in WhatsApp group? Did you read again? Yes. Do you understand? Paham tidak yang? Paham.
I write at my, and then if I have something I'm not understand, I will look in YouTube, and then if I still not understand, I will asking to you. Like
Uh,
usually, I always ask same thing. I not understand.
what, Caca? Repeat, Caca. Like usually what? What?
Like usually, when I'm I always asking to you. Uh, I always to I always asking about something. So
Oh,
when you ever uh, tell to me about so to either neither in November, but now I learn again because yeah, because I don't know, I still don't understand,
okay.
so I will asking you.
How about now, Aidan? Is it already clear to you?
Yes, but yeah, yeah. No, I don't know, but I think this one is more easier. I don't know why this one more easier than so to either neither.
This one, Caca. This is the answer. Why you feel question tag is easier? Not more easier ya, Caca. Easier is easier comparing to what is it? Uh, because you already learn. You already learn. You already understand about so to either neither. That's why it is easier because this is the same concept using auxiliary verb. Mm-mm. Yeah, this one. This is the answer. Nah, maybe the problem here is, mungkin permasalahannya, what you should do again is, don't forget to review. Don't forget to make it into practice. Why? Because this is something new. When you, let's say, you understand, yeah, because you still open your note. But when you close the note, it comes to some exercise, some item test, that's the problem. Because this is something new. Yeah, not only you, me too, myself. Yeah, for example, now I learn Kempo, so hard for me to understand Kempo, like martial art. Yeah, because this is something new to us. Yeah. Okay, do does did. Yeah, this one for past tense. Do does did for past. Nah, this one. They went to school yesterday, didn't they? And then after this, what else? Modal, ya. Modal. Modal itu apa sih maksudnya? Modal itu apa saja yang termasuk? Can, could, ya, may, might, ya. Nah, ini misalnya kalimatnya she will go to my house misalnya. Berarti di sininya will not, ya. Will not atau won't juga boleh. Ya, will not juga boleh. Will not she. Ini lebih simpel kalau yang ini. Kalau di sini will pakai will, kalau can pakai can, kalau could pakai could, kalau may pakai may, might pakai might gitu. Ininya ngikut yang di sini. Gitu. Any question? Bu Ayu? No. Enough ya. Oke. Okay. I hope this one doesn't corrupt ya. Mudah-mudahan nggak rusak file ini, nanti saya share. Nanti bisa dilihat lagi. Insya Allah kita Rabu belajar ini. Komparatif. Karena saya dengar Pom Caca tadi masih ada mistik komparatifnya. Ya. Okay, Bu Ayu, Caca, any things to say before we end, before we close?
I think enough.
Enough lah ya. Okay, let me share this one to you. Bu Ayu, anything to say before we close? Enough lah ya. Oke, we close ya. Ya, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, you're welcome. Ya, you're welcome.